In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in DocHub. If you've got a PDF with extra pages you don't need, DocHub makes it quick and clean to remove them, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open DocHub by heading to DocTube.com in your web browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account where your document lives so you can access it right away. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard with your recent files. Next, open the PDF you want to edit. Just click the document's thumbnail or name and it will launch in the DocHub editor. Give it a second to load fully so all the tools are available. Now let's open the Page Manager to see all your pages at a glance. On the left side of the editor, look for the page icon that looks like stacked rectangles or a small grid. Click it to reveal the page thumbnails. If you don't see it, the sidebar may be collapsed. Look for a small arrow on the left edge of the screen and click it to expand the panel. With your thumbnails visible, select the page you want to remove by clicking its thumbnail. If you need to delete multiple pages, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each page you want to remove. Take a moment to double check the thumbnails and page numbers so you only select the pages you truly want gone. When your selection is set, look for the trash or delete icon, which often appears above the thumbnails or in the top toolbar. Click the trash can icon. DocHub will prompt you to confirm before it makes any changes, which helps prevent accidental deletions. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or Delete in the confirmation window. The selected pages will be removed immediately, and the thumbnails will update to reflect the new page order. DocHub usually auto-saves your changes, so look for the saved checkmark or confirmation near the top of the editor. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment until the indicator shows that your edits are saved. If you need a copy of the updated PDF, export or download it. Use the download or export option and choose your preferred format. You can also rename the file during export if you want to keep both the original and the revised version. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted pages in DocHub and saved your updated PDF.